Long story short, in the short term, Ethereum is bearish. In the long term, it is bullish and will go up much higher. So no, I'm not blind. Welcome to the channel. We are looking at Ethereum on a daily chart. I was referring to this candle that I'm not blind. Yes, we are having an uptrust, but is it giving us anything significant? Well, for now, at least, according to this system, no. The band is 13 moving average and exponential moving average. The long-term band is 144 moving average slash exponential moving average. What is it telling us? It is telling us that we are just heading into the retest zone. Oh yeah, by the way, at the end of the video we will look quickly at the BTC chart for those of you that think that I made a false analysis. And by the way, yes, at any point my analysis could be false if my levels get broken. So maybe at this moment, yes, we have a breakout to the upside for Bitcoin, but will it be sustained? That's another question. I will address this, just wait a minute. So, an uptrust in Ethereum and Bitcoin to the upside. But where are they uptrusting in the short term? Ladies and gentlemen, we are heading into one big ass resistance. So you are wondering what's so significant about it? This band of 13 days. Why is it significant? Well, if you take a closer look what was happening here through all of March and April, we just were hovering above it and making this band a support. So I don't see why at this moment this wouldn't be a clear resistance. For me, I think Ethereum will go down in the next couple of days, although many will be sucked into this pump and think that we are back again. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I was wrong many times before, sucked into the narrative that I wasn't a part of. But, you know, what the chart is showing me at this moment, I'm just translating to you. So, in the short term, for now, there is no bullishness for Ethereum, although we are having bullish candles. Let's not forget, one bullish candle does not make a bullish trend. We're just retesting previous support. So, what should you expect? I'm sorry, I know that you don't want to say this, but it is a possibility. And pay close attention, because it's not killing our narrative. I want to refer to this point. What was happening here? Here, we were going into our long-term band of 144 EMA MA. We found a clear support here, and I believe in the next couple of days we will do that exact thing one more time. Again, I could be completely wrong, absolutely, then you shouldn't watch me. I'm just kidding, keep watching. So, although at this moment it seems that I will be completely wrong, but just give me some, credits. Maybe I won't. Maybe at the back of your head you are still believing me 10%, 5%, 1%. Keep it in mind. It's always a possibility. Now let me give you those levels that you should be watching at this moment. Now, as it was happening here, this is the scenario that I think will play out again. To the upside, as Ethereum is breaking out, this is the level you should be watching today, $1,970. If we break it with momentum and strength and stay above it, then it's a good thing. But keep in mind, we are now in that danger zone between 20 and 70. So this for me is a danger zone, the crucial one for the change from my perspective of short-term bear to the short-term bull. If Ethereum can be sustained above those levels, then I will change my narrative. Something like this. So is this something that you could be visioning into the future? Well, yeah, it could be. But let's see, can Ethereum do that? Can we retest those highs, then some consolidation? It is a possibility. But since I'm that short-term bear, let me show you what I really think will be happening. Rejection from today's prices, retest, one more hope, to the upside and then retest of the regions in our long-term band that is going to the upside. At that moment, I will put my bets on $1,691. Why I chose this level? Because here, yes, right here in February, it was a hard resistance. And after we break out, yes, we did retested it here, but maybe one more time is a necessary move. At that point, well, this band will be around those levels. At this moment, I will put a median of that band at around 1,625. So, as depicted, I believe in the next couple of days, weeks, not sure how fast, Ethereum will retest 1,600 and something dollars. Best case scenario, 1,674. Does it mean that I'm a long-term bear? Absolutely not. After we're doing this, then we are going much higher and continuing. The narrative that you think will play out in the next couple of days. It could, but at this moment, this is my story. Will you believe me? Will you not? That's the question of you. At least watch this video for entertainment. You don't need to believe me. I got nothing of it. I respect you, but it's better for you to follow your own systems, to form your own beliefs regarding Ethereum and Bitcoin and anything else in crypto. That's the way to become profitable and manageable trader in the future. So, at this moment, short-term bear, long-term bull. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin to show you why I think that it will retrace. Now, Bitcoin is looking a little more stronger than Ethereum, as you can see by this band, because it broke above it yesterday. Yes, it was yesterday. Oh, like 1,000 years ago. Told you that regions of around below 29,000 would be very, very bearish for Bitcoin. For now, it is proven that that is not the case. Now listen here, my narrative can still exist, and this is my narrative for you that haven't watched my previous video. Yesterday, when I was making video, we were here at this candle at around those regions. I said that maybe we will go into this region as we are right now, and then retest it and continue to the downside. Is this still a possibility as you are watching this video and Ethereum is making some moves that could change the thing? This is still a possibility, because remember, this candle haven't closed. The most bearish thing now would be that we close below $29,000, have a big wick, that would be pretty ugly, and then do the job. Remember, this is just a short-term prediction, because whatever the case may be, I am expecting in the long run higher prices for Bitcoin. Now let me show you what is invalidating my scenario, and that is this move at this moment that is sustained above $29,000. In that case, I will admit this is wrong, and in that case we will look into something like this. Anyway, maybe some consolidation to the upside and then a new highs. There is always a possibility of that. So keep an eye on the charts. If Ethereum closes above $29,000 as the level you were just given, it's a bullish sign, and my bearish narrative is dead. Okay? Now don't throw stones at me, don't curse me and anything like that. I'm giving you my best as I can, my best analysis, right? If that is not the case, respect that we will retest our long-term band and then continue to the highs that you want. I think the healthier, let's say, path for Bitcoin and Ethereum would be to retest, as we did here, our long-term band, because in that sense we are like creating some base a healthy structure for the new bull. I mean, is it really that bad? Retest it and go to the upside. Not at all. Come on, man. And yeah, the region of 24,700 is still my bet if this plays out as I'm expecting and if we can't sustain ourselves in this manner. Agreed? I'm glad. Watch the next video.